Well, greetings and welcome to section 2.2 of Workplace and Apprenticeship 20. Today, in this unit on graphing, we are going to look at bar graphs, which are familiar to you through your previous experience. Now, one example of a bar graph that we're going to look at this morning, or this day, is this information that an archaeologist found working in Nunavut. And you can see that this archaeologist found a different number of items that are common for hunting. And when we place this information on a bar graph, we can quickly see that some of the items were more common than the others. We can even quickly count up how many items there were in total, at least estimate it, and we could come to some conclusions because of that. So that's pretty simple. You count the number of items and you make sure that the number found reaches that scale or reaches that number, and you make bars that indicate the number. Another example of this is a bar graph of the medals that were won at the 2010 Winter Olympics. The gold is the gold medals, the blue is silver, and the red is bronze. So if I were to ask you which team won more medals than Canada, you could easily see that the United States definitely had more, as well as it looks like Germany is. You might need to count that up. So 17 plus 13 is 30, whereas Canada got 26. You can compare that quickly and easy. You could say, well, which team had the most silver medals? Which team had the most bronze medals? How many more did they get? And bar graphs allow us to do that quickly and easily. When you're creating bar graphs, what you'll have to do, make sure you have a title on each graph. Make sure that you've labeled the axes and clearly put the number values that you need. Also, you might need a mapping of that, or sorry, a key that tells you what each bar represents. So we've got the key, we've got the title, we've got labeling the axes, clear numbers, and also labeling the axes on the bottom. So that's it. There's nothing much to it. Your assignment's on page 80 and 82. Make sure you do it carefully, make sure you do it well, and then you can do the check and move on to the next section. That's it. Pretty short. Get to work.